Yo, what is up guys, we're back with another video, and we got quite an exciting thing. So, the motorbike I did have, I got rid of that. It was just too much work, something that was going to cost me too much money, and it needed to go. So I got rid of that, but I got another one. So, yeah, I'll show you guys that now, and we'll get to the video. Right, as you guys can see, I got my work cut out for me. We'll go over to the bike. Right here we have a pretty good dent. This is an insurance write-off, so yeah, it's had a pretty good smack there. We got a bit of damage here, well actually quite a bit of frame damage. I say someone's going to turn into a scrambler, and that's why they've done this, but I'm just going to cut it right down here and weld it, but it is still straight. It just needs, yeah, some love. We got this contraption over here. It's been fixed here really poorly. That's been cut off. It's got this. Don't know why. We've also got that holds up the other kickstand. We've got double bolts here for some reason. We got this, whatever you want to call it. What else? Got a dent over here and a dent over here. Some like Timu heat wrap, pre-pour stuff. No key, but it does run. It's being hot wired because they lost the key. It's not stolen. I have checked. I found all things. No rear brake assembly, so I found that. This has got silicone on it, so yeah. I definitely have my work cut out for me, but it shouldn't take too long. I'm gonna order some parts tonight, but today I want to get this carb cleaned because it idles, but not for long. It could just be because it's also got no air filter, which I've got a thing to fix that. I'm not gonna go with stock air filter. I'm gonna go with pod filter, and I also want to get the tank done today and tidy it up, and yeah, get it running to the point that I can at least do something with it. Anyways, we'll get on to the video now. But I'm gonna head down, super cheap, and go grab some bulk, and we'll paint this tank. Probably black for now. Yeah, anyway, catch you guys in. Right, we're back. I ended up losing a bunch of footage, so I don't have any footage of me sanding. So I don't have a camera anymore. The camera was on top of the Truno. My missus ended up going out for a drive and didn't see the camera on top of the car since it was pretty dark out. And yeah, you can imagine what happened. It went somewhere on the road. I drove around for about like 5 hours trying to look for it. Couldn't find it, so it is what it is. I can use my phone again. But that's irrelevant. Yeah, it sucks because, you know, footage is footage. That's like 4 hours of footage gone, but it is what it is. But yeah, we'll get to the bike now and I'll show you how that's looking. I don't have me sanding the tank, I don't have me painting the tank. It's only primer right now, so I'll be able to show you guys painting the tank the color is meant to be, but I still need to do some final touches to the tank. But I want to get that on another video because the weather isn't that great out, so there's no point showing you guys something, and I don't want to be in the rain. So yeah, anyway, bike's done for now. We'll get on to showing you guys the bike. Right, here's the bike there. I hope you guys enjoyed. I don't think this video was too long. Tell me if you guys like this sort of content, you know, working on the bikes, and did you guys like the B-roll, the editing of it? Do you want that style more? Do you want it less? Do you want something different? Tell me what you guys want to see in the videos, and if there's any suggestions on the bike, show me that. I'll pop up what my idea is. That's my idea of the bike. But if you have any other suggestions, then show me those. Tell me them in the comments. What do you want to see on the bike and all the other stuff. Do you want the black and red? Do you want black and purple maybe? Do you want black and, I don't know, green? Yeah, just tell me what colours you want to see on the bike. I definitely want to stick with the black because I've already done that. But yeah, the accent colour, do you want purple? I can do that. Do you guys want red? I can do that. Do you want blue? You know. What are you doing, dog? Anyway, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.